Ever feel like your down payment fund is growing at the speed of a snail while home prices are moving like a Ferrari? Saving for a house isn't just about putting money aside, it's about where that money sits and how hard it works for you while you wait. When I started saving for my first place, I chose Ally because they have specific automated tools that actually take the manual thinking out of the process. Here is the exact strategy one used to build a down payment fund faster. 1. The bucket system. Most banks just give you one big pile of money. In Ally, I created a dedicated down payment bucket within my savings account. This is crucial for psychology. By separating your house money from your emergency fund or travel fund, you're less likely to borrow from it for a weekend trip. You can see exactly how close you are to that 20% or 3.5% goal without doing mental math. 2. High-yield interest. Don't leave your down payment in a standard big bank savings account earning 0.01%. Because Ally is an online bank, their APY is consistently much higher. On a $50,000 down payment fund, the difference between a traditional bank and a high-yield savings account can be thousands of dollars in free interest over a couple of years. It's passive growth that requires zero effort. 3. Smart savings boosters. I turned on 2 specific boosters that accelerated my progress. Recurring transfers, set it to pull money the day after payday. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Surplus savings, this is the game changer. Ally analyzes your checking account linked to the savings, identifies money you aren't using for bills, and automatically moves it into your down payment bucket. 4. Maximizing with no penalty CDs. If you know you aren't buying for at least 6 to 12 months, but you're worried about interest rates dropping, look at Ally's no penalty CD. It usually offers a higher rate than the savings account, but unlike a traditional CD, you can withdraw your full balance and interest at any time after the first 6 days. This gives you the high rate of a CD with the flexibility of a savings account, perfect if you suddenly find the perfect house sooner than expected. 5. Tracking your progress. Ally has a visual progress bar for your buckets. I check mine once a week. Seeing that bar move from 40% to 45% kept me motivated to cut back on dining out and put that extra cash toward the house instead. Stop letting your down payment sit idle. Move it to a place that actually helps you reach the closing table. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.